dreams. It's smoke weed every day. Find a way. Tomorrow's another day. She had patience while I tried. Thinking I'd keep until I die. Love is about the same. So where do we go? Where the about the time I got that fucking M100 from that fucking old Indian kid. So we're like, I don't even know where the fuck we were. We're like northwest up here, like fucking 60 fucking miles, like 80 miles. I don't fucking know where the fuck we were, dude. Honestly, it took us a long fucking time to get there. Winding fucking roads through the fucking forest and shit, dude. So I was with Kristen and her old man at the time, and there's a fireworks stand next to the fucking smoke shop. I'm like, oh, check this out. Go in there, and they got the, you know, just the typical fucking fireworks stand stuff, right? And this fucking kid's behind the counter. He's like 13 years old. I'm like, yeah, you guys got some okay fireworks, but where's the real shit? And he goes, what are you talking about? I said, where's the big booms? He goes, what do you mean? I'm like, look, I know you got something bigger than a fucking firecracker.
How are you guys doing today?
Doing all right?
I have no idea.
One each.
Huh?
One each.
2 packs? No, wait.
One pack Pomo menthol and then red menthol, or just the reds, hundreds.
1 menthol 100s, 1 red 100s. Yeah, I'm like, I want the big boomers, man. I want the big fuckers. He pulls out an M50, a little short, stubby fucker. I'm like, nah, you got something bigger than that. I know you do. Pulls out an M80. I'm like, bigger. Because you're not a cop, are you? I'm like, dude, I look like a cop. Really?
You look like an undercover
Got our
cop.
bag with these.
And then he fucking pulls out an M100. That's a quarter stick of dynamite right there.
Thank you.
And you guys have a good one.
You too.
You too.
Hey, is there air hose around?
Like the full of tires and stuff. So, right out over by the propane, there's a big thing that says air.
Oh, okay, I got it. All right, thanks.
You have a good one.
Yeah.
The big thing that says air.
Yeah, pulls out an M100. M100. He's like, this is a quarter stick of dynamite. I'm like, that sounds pretty good. Paid him like $10 for this fucking thing. I fucking knew he had something bigger, dude. I fucking knew it. Is it free?
Looks like it, yeah.
believe there's a tire gauge in there.
The thing doesn't have one?
It's not working. Big black fucker? No.
I'm trying not to scratch your CDs and shit.
That's nice of you.
Because I don't know what's in here.
Maybe it's in the glove box. You should have seen it by now. Big black fucker. No. Huh. Well, it looks like it's full.
Okay.
It would behoove us to get some gasoline.
Did I hand you the key? I don't want to use credit.
No.
Every time
Might
I
lock you up.
Yeah,
Authorized for
or I
$100
just
or some stupid
forget about it.
It's easy to do if it doesn't show on your shit for a couple days.
Almost.
Almost what?
That's 9.
I think $5 should do. Might need some creamer.
GSTV presents Better Together with Maria Menounos. Nutrition typically frozen vegetables healthier than fresh produce. Actually, because frozen veggies are pitch blanched and frozen at peak freshness, they often preserve their nutrients more than the fresh vegetables sitting out for days at the market. For more, check out Better Together with Maria Menounos.
This is your daily tech and business briefing from Cheddar. Caesars Entertainment announcing a mandatory mask policy. Caesars is citing scientific evidence proving the benefits of wearing masks in controlling the spread of the coronavirus.
Coronavirus hoax! Scare tactic by the Do Nothing Democrats. Trying to overthrow the Trump administration. All hail King Trump.
All hail King Trump. I can't believe I said that. You can't do that.